Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all what's in my storage space business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go ahead and go through my storage space business plan template and I'll just share with y'all what's included. All right, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. My storage space business plan template does come with two documents, which is your Word document, and that's your actual business plan template. And then you have the financial model, which is your Excel file, and I cover that in a separate video. So when you do, or if you do purchase the storage space leasing business plan template, and you open up a Word document, you'll be greeted with the title page. And the title page is pretty straightforward. It has a space right here for your company name. This is just a space holder for your logo. And then understand that underneath that is going to be just the word business plan. And that just lets the reader know, hey, this is a business plan. You want to be straightforward with what what your document is. The next page is going to be your table of contents. So in your table of contents, once you add a little bit of meat to the bone and you start expanding the business plan template for the storage space business, you want to come to your table of contents, click on it, click on update table, click on update entire table, click on OK. And once you do that, all your titles will update and all your page numbers will update as well. For the next section is going to be your executive summary. And for the executive summary, anywhere you see highlights, that's where you're going to want to go ahead and update with your personal information for your business, whether it be for the summary section, the target market section, your financial highlights, or for your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? The next segment is going to be, now we're diving into the actual business plan. So the actual business plan. And so you'll have your company description. Again, you're going to go ahead and summarize your organization, discuss what are some of the popular products or services you're going to be offering. Products are going to be, whether you're going to be offering any kind of moving material, and services is going to be the sizes of your units and such. You're going to competitive advantages. What was your organization going to do better than all the other organizations out there for storage units? Then you'll have your primary target market segment, your pricing strategy segment, your hours of operation, your location. Again, discuss your location, the size of it, and so on. And then finally, within this section right here, you're going to have your business objectives and timeline, which is just a snippet of your strategic plan. So we're going to embed just a snippet of your strategic plan inside your business plan, just to show the reader that you do have a separate document for it, but you've got it succinctly summarized here. Your next segment is going to be your industry analysis. The industry analysis is updated. The industry research is updated as of the date of the video. I do get my industry research from IBIS World underneath the title of Storage Space Leasing Industry. And so I do give you some summarized version of the report that I obtained. And again, this is from IBIS World. And then also we're going to have your SWOT analysis. When you're doing your SWOT, that's just your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. You want it in pictorial form, just because readers they people don't like to read it. What are you going to do? So I like to put my SWOT analysis in a pictorial form. It's a little bit more appealing and less words, so people tend to read it more as compared to the document itself. To update your SWOT analysis, you just click on it. You'll click on the little arrow right here, and then you'll just make the changes right here. And as you make those changes, your SWOT analysis will update as well. Your next segment is going to be your organizational structure. Again, company name, address, the legal liability structure that you're going to have. and so on. Then we got your organizational chart. Again, smart art, click it, arrow, update as needed. Your marketing segment, typically your storage unit or your storage space leasing organizations or businesses, you're going to be advertising typically in three different channels, which can be your traditional channel, your internet channel, and then your social media. And I give you a real good start for each one of those. The next segment is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? So again, I'll give you a nice structure for it. Just go ahead and change the numbers out with your actual numbers needed. And then the final segment is going to be your financial projections. The financial projections are in a separate model. It's in an Excel sheet, which is right here. And I do go over this Excel sheet in a separate video. But once you do update the financial projections in the Excel file, you'll just copy and paste the various various financial statements into your Word document. And the statements you can import via copy and paste is going to be your profit and loss year one, broken up monthly as well as quarterly. And this will be quarter two, quarter three, and then quarter four right here. And then finally, you're going to have your income statement, which is a summary of your revenues, your expenses, and your net income for the next 5 years. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.